Hello guys, this is AJ again. We have another computer here in the shop. This is we have a lady gamer. She is top-notch gaming, right?
Yes,
Arya?
top-notch.
Yes. Actually, she put everything together, but there were some problem with she could not figure it out. So she had a high temperature spike, and the computer was crashing on certain games and stuff. So she came over and. She picked it up actually, this liquid cooling. This is so cool. It shows you the all kinds of the CPU temperature and RPMs, all kinds of stuff you can do with it. So we replaced that, and it's working great. It's under 50 Celsius, and we did some bench test, and 50, 51 Celsius, around like that. We're on the Ryzen, right?
Yes, Ryzen
Yeah,
9.
Ryzen 9. And she also has a
3080.
3080.
Yeah.
So, well, we're pretty happy what we have now. And
Yes,
what do you
very
add,
happy.
Ariana? So,
I will add that you found the problem very quickly, actually before even touching the PC, and you executed everything very quickly and taught me a lot that I didn't know, and I really appreciate it.
that's really good to hear. And well, here, if you guys have any problems with overheating and crushing the computer, your gaming computer, we are located on 276 Route 10 West, Sagasana, New Jersey, and it's very conveniently located on the Route 10. And yeah, just give us a call. My phone number is 908 361 9590. My name is AJ.